This is the story of how life began, not in peace, but in chaos. Roughly 4.54 billion years ago, Earth was born. A newborn planet, molten and violent, bombarded by asteroids. No oceans, no air, no crust, just fire and fury. But inside that hell were the ingredients for something astonishing. As the planet raged, something remarkable happened. Heavy metals like iron and nickel sank deep, forming Earth's core. Lighter material floated, forming the mantle and crust. And from that spinning molten core came Earth's magnetic field, a silent shield against deadly solar winds. All this by around 4.5 to 4.4 billion years ago. Around 4.4 billion years ago, volcanoes painted the skies with toxic breath. They released gases, water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia. Earth's first atmosphere was born, thick, heavy, and oxygen-free. It wasn't made for us, but it was perfect for what came next. Soon after, the planet cooled. Around 4.4 to 4 billion years ago, vapor in the sky condensed. It rained and rained and rained. For thousands of years, water filled the lowlands, forming Earth's first oceans. Some water may have even come from icy comets crashing into the surface. By 4.0 to 3.8 billion years ago, Earth was a giant chemistry lab. In the oceans, water, methane, ammonia, hydrogen cyanide. Above, UV radiation and lightning. Below, volcanoes and hydrothermal vents. These forces shattered molecules and reassembled them into the first organic building blocks of life. Experiments like Miller-Urey confirmed it. Under the conditions of early Earth, organic molecules naturally form. By around 4.0 billion years ago, the oceans swirled with amino acids, nucleotides, and fatty acids, the Lego bricks of life. But bricks aren't enough. We need structure. Enter lipids, the natural architects of life. These fatty molecules formed spherical bubbles in water, trapping molecules inside. They created the first protocells, primitive containers that protected and stabilized reactions. This step likely occurred around 4.0 to 3.8 billion years ago. Now comes the star of the pre-cell world, RNA. Appearing between 3.0 and 4 billion years ago, RNA was unlike anything before. It could store information and catalyze reactions. It was chemistry with memory. Some RNA strands began to self-replicate. Evolution had officially begun. Inside protocells, primitive metabolism kicked in. Molecules began trading energy, simple reactions that powered repair and reproduction. This trio, membrane, RNA, and metabolism, was the recipe. Life was just one spark away. And then it happened. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the first true cell emerged. It had a lipid membrane, RNA instructions, and metabolic reactions. No oxygen, no sunlight, just heat, chemistry, and time. This first life form is known as LUCA, the last universal common ancestor. From it came everything: bacteria, trees, whales, and us. In just 700 million years, Earth went from a fireball to a living world. From crashing rocks to replicating code. From random molecules to the first ancestor of all life. No miracles, just time, physics, chemistry,
and evolution. This is the true origin story.